Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak dua biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Katkum ka khubor ka bagabati CTV kala yoklum layathu ba kala don ka jingsha jrongkti bat ka jingsha Kynshleiñ ki Thei Ïalehkai cricket ka Jylla ki badena ka kanhon Ïalehkai jong ka women cricket players under 23 ha ki nong penyat ki bapet yaki. Katkum ka khubor layathu ba kita ki Thei Ïalehkai cricket ki la pentip Shah ka Meghalaya Cricket Association bat ban ujor ya ka ei ka balajaya ki nrei ki Nongkitkam jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ki la shimsting ya ka ni ka jing ujor bat Kynshleiñ le AA. Namar ka jing Kynshleiñ jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association menta ka ni ka kam ka la poi Shah ka miet jong ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Marsinya yo jing tip yakani ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Kala shimkam katkum ki kendon jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women Act 2005 but kala Khot Hajir yaki Nongkitkam jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association. Katkum ka jing tip ka baga bate CTV kala yo lum layathu baga chairperson kala Khot Hajir yaki sangut ki Nongkitkam jong ka association haka arpun riu tarik ujemang arajar arpun riu bagi deiban wanmi hakmat ka chairperson bat bagi deiru ban wan ra yaki kot kisla ki balong ki sakhi ki sabut ban pen I bagi lale ayu halor ka jing ujor ka bagi Thei Ïalehkai cricket ka Jylla ki la ujor shaki. Ki sangut ki Nongkitkam ki bala Shah Khot Hajir hakmat ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Women Commission. Ki kentup yau naba batacharji badai president barim jong ka MCA, Rayanal Karkamni badai secretary, Dhruba Jyoti Thakuria badai treasurer barim but shining starling do manager jong ka MCA.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the sha nala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya ka ne ka umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka kya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.